Yeah, so one of the really fun things about working here is that we have a number of offices. The headquarters are in Austin, but we also have an office in Houston, and offices in the UK and Zurich, and we've just recently opened one in Japan. And so people are having all kinds of opportunities to travel between the offices as we collaborate and make sure that everyone feels connected to the family. But also there are people we always, I would say, have people who have long-term visas to live in these other places. So we've got some people who are living in Japan for the first time. We always have somebody who's either living in the UK or people from the UK living here for a period of a few years if they'd like. So it's pretty great to have these opportunities to have different kinds of experiences.